This review is of Back to Nature plant-based snacks, organic roasted garlic and herb Stoneground wheat crackers. It's USDA organic, non-GMO, PARV, so in that respect it's safe for Jews and Muslims. It also donates money to the Nature Conservancy's Plant a Billion Trees program, and they use 100% recycled paperboard, 95% recycling, also carbon, reuse and recycling more than 90% of the solid waste from the process. Printer cartons with vegetable inks from renewable sources like soy and flax. Here's the big old blurb on the back. And you can see some other products they've got. Okay, and here are the nutrition facts and ingredients. Sorry it took so long, but I finally was able to get a replacement for my previous phone. All right, so as you can see, 70 calories per 5 crackers, which is insane. 2.5 grams of fat, no cholesterol, but 170 milligrams per 5 crackers. 10 grams of carbs, of which 1 is dietary fiber and 1 is added sugar, and 1 gram of protein. All right, let's go ahead and give them a try. Smells herby. I can definitely taste the garlic and the herbs. Despite all the sodium, of course, it doesn't taste very salty. They're very good, actually. Not too salty. Tasting, anyways. I'll give them a score of, I don't like the fact that they put seeds in here, but the seeds are not cracked. So they're undigestible by us. Uncracked seeds are useless to humans because we have no way, just like birds, crack open shells with their beaks. We would have to basically chew so thoroughly and so hard, crushingly, that all of these would get cracked open. So these are useless. They're just decoration. I'm trying to see if I can find out what kind of seeds those are. Flax seeds. That's what I figured. So make sure you chew well. I'll give these an 8. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.